Your story times. Your story times.
Funny guy. Real Haitian.
Trying to be weird. Trying to be nice guy,
The month just started, bro. I'm saying, I'm sure my hair cut. I'm booking the program. But it's first.
You see, when you was in Florida, how you see the women in Florida have the same vibe like me.
For real?
Same vibe. You say you call them to chill, they bring the bottle, cigar.
He said they bring the bottle,
Exactly.
they bring the cigar. Hey, funny. I wasn't getting no whoops out there, though. Man, stop capping. We was definitely getting whoops out there. So you was on business? That was hard.
That was hard?
I didn't get anywhere.
You don't get nowhere? You don't go nowhere?
No whoops. No whoops.
No whoops, no nothing.
No nothing.
No, that's why he kept his car.
Sorry.
I said that's why you kept your car. Because you didn't get any whoops. He was getting too many whoops. That's why he couldn't keep a car.
I don't think it's different, man. My homie know the movement, you know? I'm the one that know them because they see, he see.
Yeah. Blame it on everybody else.
It's no better if I'm leaving my car, I don't leave you to leave on my car. How you take off?
Oh my God, we've never been in a car like this together, too.
It's a 4 hour, bro. 4 hour car.
It's a rental car.
Like a rental car.
It's a good rental car.
That was my car. They go take your car, take it all the way to Florida, brother. Especially when you live in there. I know you will. Nah, baby.
Tell her the truth, but she's funny.
It's my job.
Oh, God. Oh, we got a clip on them right now. We got a clip on them. I used to say, comment though.
Zuzu.
Zobo. Otherwise, I'm this guy.
I'm sorry.
You're good.